I'm observing a lot of activity. Got about, they're flying around so fast. We got about 10 bees all over the swarm trap. I really doused it with some lemongrass. I think it was yesterday. Man, they're taking to it like water. Getting really excited. I'm wondering if there might be a swarm in there for all I know. I haven't checked. Yet, but you can see them just in and out like crazy. I think next time I'm gonna make sure the bottom board there, it's an inner cover. I'm gonna make sure that's screwed in. I think I only screwed in 2 sides of it. The inner cover hole I left open. I put a piece of 2x4 over it, and they're not even taking to that as the entrance, I don't think. Oh, it kind of looks like it from underneath. Here, let's zoom out. But observing lots of activity. I'm really excited. Really excited. They have no reason to be around there. There's no honey in it. And there is no... There's wax foundation in it. But I mean, they are just buzzing all over this thing. I've been wanting to catch a swarm. I knew this was a good place to put it. There's a lot of bee activity. I think I'm counting about 20 bees now. I mean, number is absolutely growing. No doubt. No doubt. Here, let's get a... You should see them. Look at that. They are just all over this thing. I'm almost certain there's bees in there. It doesn't... Their behaviors are very peculiar. I'm gonna try to get a little bit closer. I don't have bee gear or nothing on, and I don't want to necessarily get into them without bee gear. Looks like they're really taking to it, you know. They're just all over it right now. Let's go on the other side. I'm really excited. So you can see a few underneath. See, that's a 2x4. I only put this thing about 3 feet, 3 feet above the ground. This is on a hill, so whenever I get up to it in front of it, it's actually at my waist. So it's really manageable. It's not unmanageable. I just saw some things online, and I screwed on a piece of 2x4 to the side to the hive body, and then I screwed 3 5-inch screws into the front of it. You can see there, 1, 2, 3. It's been enough. We got complaints from the neighbors. They're afraid that it's going to fall and whatnot, but I got this tie rope. It's a ratchet. And it's really been holding up. It's more of a safeguard. It's not really to keep it held up. It's a fail safe, just in case the screws aren't doing their job. But it looks good. I'm gonna move here. Looks really good. But I've been putting lemongrass in it, and otherwise they wouldn't have even been touching it. Let's see. Maybe I can open it. Maybe just a... I hear bees in there, dude. There might be a whole swarm in there right now. I have no idea. Not the faintest. But this side you can't see any activity, really. But on this side, they're just searching it inside and out and seeing if it's a big enough size for whatever swarms out there that's looking for a hive right now. And I'm getting pretty excited. There were about 20, now we got only about 4. Oh, I see 5 now. So there was a lot of scout bees out here. Looks like we're gonna see a swarm. See a swarm hopefully today. That'd be real exciting. And man, I'm not gonna deploy. I'm gonna deploy this back out once I catch swarm, and I'm gonna put their frames into you know, their frames of bees into a new hive body, and I'm just gonna keep this one here. Yeah, I see them fighting. I don't know. Let's see. Let's zoom in. I don't know.